everyone, I am Manoharan. In our previous class, we have learnt about different types of vices and its uses. I hope you all understand that. Today we are going to learn about related theory, filing, flat and square, rough finish. In this topic, we are going to learn about tri-square parts and its uses, file parts, different cuts, various grades of files and specification of the file. First, we are going to learn about what is tri-square. Tri-square is an instrument which is used to check squareness of a surface, that is angles of 90 degree. The accuracy of the measurement by a tri-square is about 0.002 millimeter per 10 mm length. Tri-square has a stock and blade with parallel surfaces. Tri-square is made of hardened steel and it is specified according to the length of the blade, that is 100 mm, 200 mm, 300 mm. Uses of tri-square: check the squareness, check the flatness, mark lines at 90 degree to the edges of workpieces, set workpieces at right angles. Next topic, we are going to learn about what is a file and what are all the parts of a file. File is a cutting tool which is used to remove excess material from the workpiece. It is made of high carbon steel or high grade cast steel. Now, we will see the parts of the file one by one. Tip or point, face or side, edge, heel, shoulder, tongue, handle, ferrule. Tip or point, the end opposite to the tongue. Face or side, the broad part of the file with the teeth cut on its surface. Edge, the thin part of the file with a single row of parallel teeth. Heel, the portion of the broad part without teeth. Shoulder, the curved part of the file separating the tongue from the body. Tongue, the narrow part of the file which fits into the handle. Handle, the part fitted to the tongue for holding the file. Ferrule, a protective ring to prevent the cracking of the handle. Next topic, we are going to learn about different cuts of files. Basically, 4 types are available: single cut, double cut, rasp cut, curved cut. Single cut file, it has rows of teeth cut in one direction across its face. The teeth are at an angle of 60 degree to the center line. These files are used for filing soft materials like brass, aluminum, bronze and copper. Double cut file, it has 2 rows of teeth cut diagonal to each other. The first rows of teeth known as overcut and they are cut at an angle of 70 degree. The other cut is made diagonal to this is known as upcut and it is at an angle of 51 degree. This file removes stock faster than the single cut file. Rasp cut file, it has individual sharp pointed teeth in a line. It is useful for filing wood, leather and other soft materials. These files are available only in half round shape. Curved cut file, the teeth are cut in curved direction. These files have deeper cutting action and available only in flat shape. It is useful for filing soft materials like aluminum, tin, copper and plastic. Next, we are going to learn about different grades of files. File grades are determined by the spacing of the teeth. The following are the grades are available: rough file, bastard file, second cut file, smooth file, dead smooth file. Rough file, it is used for removing rapidly the large quantity of metal. It is used for trimming the rough edges of the soft metal castings. Bastard file, it is used where heavy reduction of material. Second cut file, it is used to give good finish on metals and useful for bringing the jobs close to the finishing size. It is excellent to file hard materials. Smooth file, it is used to remove small quantity of materials and to give good finish. Dead smooth file, it is used to bring the material to the accurate size with a high degree of finish. Now, you all understand about the different grades of files. Finally, we are going to learn about how files are specified. Files are specified according to their length, grade, cut and shape. Example, 300 mm flat bastard file. I hope now you all understand about tri-square, its parts, file and its parts, different cuts, various grades of files and specification of the file. Thank you. See you all in our next class. Have a good day.